For those of you who are still struggling to make money online trading crypto, in this video I'm going to show you how I trade Bitcoin daily. .p. The reason why I'm adding .p to it is because we trade features. So if you trade features, either they call them derivatives. If you trade derivatives on Binance or KuCoin or Bybit, you should be using this strategy. So this strategy works in the 4-hour time frame. When they say 4 hours, which means that each candlestick that you are seeing have taken about 4 hours to form. The reason why I'm now using blue and white candles is because, like, I was very emotional about my trades when I was using the red and green candles. So if you want to change your chart to also blue, and just click on the dashboard this way, then you go to settings. When you are in your settings, then this is what you want to do. The body of the candle should be white, then the next one will be blue, borders should be black and blue, wick should be black and pink, or what do we call it. So this is how you should set your candlesticks chart. Okay, for me, I don't use any indicators. These are the things that I use to do my technical analysis. You should also try it. It is very good. Okay, so basically what the strategy does is it works in trending market. It only works in trending market. So let's say we are looking at BTC in the 4-hour time frame. Right now we can see around this place Bitcoin was falling. Before you even enter a trade, go to the higher time frame. So because we are day traders, we start from 1D. Okay, so when we start from 1D, we could see like the whole month Bitcoin was falling. It was in a downtrend. So we start marking our entry from our resistance zones from 1D. This is the highest that Bitcoin ETH went. This is the highest. It was around $1,842, then came here to about $1,745, currently around $1,638. If you're a smart person, you will know that ETH is in a downtrend. So let's go for the support again. So this is the lowest it went, $1,497, came back to $1,530. The current support right now for Ethereum is $1,609. If you are going to enter a trade, first of all, you need to go for a long position. The reason why I'm saying you need to go for a long position is because fundamentally Bitcoin is rising, and if Bitcoin is rising, Ethereum rise too, and all the altcoins follow. You guys get it? So anytime that you are going to enter a trade and Bitcoin is falling, just make sure that Ethereum is going to fall in addition. But if Bitcoin is rising, right now Bitcoin is in bullish trend, Bitcoin is rising, so because of that, Ethereum and all the altcoins will also rise. The day before yesterday we took this trade. Okay, so if I go back to, this is the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so if I go to 4-hour time frame here, you could see we entered the trade around here. Then there was fundamentals. When they released the NFT, price pushed to the downside about $1,610, then went back to over $1,665. We hit our second TP and we're out of this trade. So for me, anytime that I'm going to enter a trade, first of all, I go to investing.com, check for fundamentals. If you don't know what fundamentals are, they are external events, news that predict direction of the market. Let's say they raise interest rate, it will affect forex pairs, it will also affect digital currencies. If Bitcoin is falling, dollar is rising, and if dollar is rising, Bitcoin will fall and the altcoins will follow. Just know this: if there is a news release and it's good for Bitcoin, then this means the dollar will start to fall. But if there is a news release and it's bad for crypto, dollar will rise. If the news is bad for crypto, dollar will rise. This is how the strategy works. So when we have a higher high here to the low side, then a next higher high to the low side, what you want to do is you are going to wait for entry around here, around this section. So if I put my trend line, then I draw it this way, this is where you should be entering the trade when we are using an uptrend. If we are in an uptrend, right now we are in a downtrend, you could even see this hammer candle here. So let me remove this thing for you guys to see. Have you guys seen this hammer candle? Just the week, anytime you see price forming this particular thing, it's telling you that it's time to reverse. It's time to reverse. So if this one was inverted at the downside, then this means the next 4 candles will form an uptrend. In an uptrend, the green candles are more than the red candles. In a downtrend, the green candles are more than the red candles. In a downtrend, the red candles are more than the green candles. You need to know this. So if you just look at the chart this way, so when we look at the chart, starting from Monday, October, that's 2nd October, to about today. Today's date is 7th October. You have seen that the red candles are more than the green candles. Because I have changed my candlesticks to blue and white. If I see blue, that means the market is going down. If I see white, the market is going up. And I'm saying that each time you see the red candles being more than the blue candles, then this means that the market is trending down, the market is falling. You could even see, just by looking at the chart, you can even see like Ethereum has fallen. Look at it. Have you seen it here? Guys, have you seen what I'm saying? So if you are going to enter a trade, this is how I usually do my technical analysis. I don't use any indicators. I just wait for price to push to the upside. So we could have a price doing like this. It will push to the upside this way, then it will come down. So you see the pullback to sweep liquidity around here, then it will push up again. Okay, so when price move here, that means buyers are in control. Then some people close their positions. You see price falling, then people to try to buy the price back again, then it will push up. So if you are going to enter a trade, this is where you are going to enter the trade. You enter the trade around here, okay? Then you put your stop loss around this particular place. This is where you put your stop loss. So you are going to wait for the market to trend down again. It will trend down this place. Then you now do what? You enter a long position. Always wait for the market to come down before you enter the trade. So let me enlarge this thing for you guys here. So what I'm trying to say is, let's say the price is moving up, then make a lower low to a lower high. You place your entry around here, limit order, or you just place a notification bar around here. Then you wait for price to come and hit it. Okay, if price comes and hit it, give it some 5 pips or 10 pips to the lower side. If it doesn't break this support level, this next support level, we now call here support. If it doesn't break the support level, you enter a long position. Usually it's around 1:3, 1:4 ratio. So if we enter the trade around here, then we'll put our stop loss in the nearest support level. So this is where our stop loss will be. You have gotten it right. 1:4 ratio, which is not bad. So even if you trade about 10 trades and you lose 3, you still be profitable at the end of the day. So it only works in trending market. What I'm saying is the strategy works in trending market. If we are in a downtrend, we can use the strategy. If we are in an uptrend, like I just demonstrated, we can use the strategy again. Please don't ever go against the trend. So let me just use GBP pair here. So let's go for GBP. So GBP USD is here. So if we select GBP USD, so over the past month, GBP has been trending down. So just looking at this particular market, you know that the price is moving down. So this is what happened yesterday after the news. So after the news, we saw a push to the downside about 70 pips, then started trending upward. This means the dollar is losing value. If price is able to break here starting Monday, we could see GBP USDT moving to the upside. So I entered this trade on my prop firm account, a 10,000 prop firm account from Consummate Traders. If you want to learn more about how to trade funded accounts, you can click the first link and join the Telegram group. So basically what I'm saying is that starting from next week, so next week will be around this thing 10th October to 9th October. So today is 7th. So next week we start from 10th October, that's Monday. So starting from Monday when the forex market opens, I'm sure if GBP USDT is not able to break this resistance, that's 1.22627, it can trend down again. But if it's able to break it, we will start an uptrend. As I told you guys, for the past 1 month we have been seeing a downtrend on GBP USD. Have you guys seen it? So this place is a major support. So if you are trading forex, if you try this pair, you are going to make a lot of money. So this is a major support level, and you can see the price is now trending upward. So you just enter a long position with about 31% risk to reward ratio, which is very crazy. If you are a swing trader, this trade will be better for you. Okay, so let's just wait and see if GBP USD is able to break that resistance, that major resistance. Because looking at the daily time frame, we could see the price is trending upward, and even in the 4-hour time frame. But last month, from September up to October 7th, at the time of making this video, GBP USD have been trending down. But yesterday when they released the NFP, we see a drop and a resistance to the upside. So this means that we could start the week with GBP being strong and USD being low. So if dollar is low, Bitcoin will rise. If dollar value reduces, Bitcoin value rises. So you need to know this. If GBP USD is falling, dollar will rise. You guys get it? If GBP USD is falling, dollar is rising. If gold is falling, dollar is rising. And if dollar is rising, gold is falling. You need to know this. So this is how I trade. This is my strategy. As I told you guys, you just wait for the price to push to the upside, make a major resistance around here, then you draw your trend line this way, wait for the price to come down, then you enter a position. You could have made about 1:3 risk to reward ratio here. The same thing that I'm doing here. I just wait for the price to come down here, goes up, now it's coming down, then I enter my position. Now I'm about 1:4 risk to reward ratio. So this is how you trade it. This is the best trading strategy for beginners, whether you are trading forex or you are trading cryptocurrencies. If you have any questions, you can just comment down below or click the first link and join the Telegram group so that you can also text me on WhatsApp.